Once again, we have to change the connection of the previous motor. While ago, we connected the star or Y connection. Now, we interchange the connection into delta. Delta connections. Fixed voltage 220 volts. Delta connection. Now, the connection here is jumpered. No? Terminal 1 and terminal 6 is jumpered or connected, and then terminal 2 and terminal 4 is connected, and then terminal 3 and terminal 5 is also connected. So the connection now is delta 220 volts pole voltage or fixed voltage. Now, the same circuit connection, pole voltage magnetic across the line, 220 volts. So, if we have to start this one, so simply turn on the switch of the power supply, power line, which has the overcurrent protection, turn on, and then push the start button. So, this is the control circuit connection. Then push the push button, start button to determine that it is Y. You determine the motor it is connected. If it is Y connection or delta connection, because the motor it starts at high current. Okay, so let's say 1. So motor runs with a maximum efficiency since the motor is connected in delta. That's why for big motors, supposedly if you have to connect big motors, you have to connect it into star or Y to delta. What is the reason? We call it reduced voltage star delta or Y delta. It's because we cannot directly connect the motor to the source, to the supply line, using delta connection. Okay? So maybe the winding of the motor will be stressed or burned out because it is starting at high current. So to minimize the starting current, you have to start it using the Y, and then transition with 10 to 30 seconds, then delta, depending on the size of the motor or the horsepower or kilowatt of the motor. So that's it.